Breaking news coming in from the new administration in Uttar Pradesh under Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath that has just stamped its authority on leadership. It has chaired its first big meeting of the police department and held this video via video conferencing in which top officials from the police in all districts were present to speak with the Chief Minister directly. This is his first move. Yogi Adityanath's first move to rectify the law and order situation in the most populous state of the country. Remember, law and order has been abysmal and deteriorating in Uttar Pradesh. In fact, in the first 2 days of his chief ministership, there have been incidents of murder and violence in several different parts of Uttar Pradesh. The crime wave in that state is unending, and the onus is now on Chief Minister Adityanath to hold good on his promise and crack down on the law and order situation, the abysmal law and order situation in the state. Yogi Adityanath met with the Director General of Police as well as several other police officials, keeping good with a campaign promise to make sure that law and order is an absolute priority for the new administration in Uttar Pradesh. Let's go straight across to India Today's Mausami Singh joining us live from Lucknow. Mausami, law and order, that's usually the reason why Uttar Pradesh has been, in the mainstream media and the news, apart from the elections recently. With this fresh round of meetings that Adityanath has just held, the onus, the spotlight is going to be very much on him and unforgiving in a sense, Mausami, as far as law and order is concerned. He has to deliver and deliver quickly.
That's right, Shiv. You're bang on target when you say that law and order is one of the primary challenges for the Yogi government, and that's what Yogi Adityanath has been reiterating ever since he's taken over, be it in press conferences or whether it is speaking to the media personnel outside his office. But clearly, you can see a lot of red beacons behind me at the governor's house. The Tea Party has just got over. There you can see Swami Prasad Warrior actually being surrounded by all the media personnel. So clearly the Tea Party did last for about over an hour, and we are expecting that the cabinet portfolios would be decided anytime soon. But yes, law and order is one of the primary concerns, and that's why this crucial meeting of top officials of Uttar Pradesh government took place today. A video conferencing of all district DMs, SSPs, SPs, and all the railway officials also involved has taken place today, and we expect that a debriefing would be coming any time round now.
We'll keep coming back to you. Thanks very much, Mausami, for joining us for the moment with that update from right outside the location where that meeting has just taken place. Yogi Adityanath has stamped his authority, a divisive figure, a controversial figure, a contentious figure. But he is now the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. What has his journey been like? And do we really know everything about the person who now rules India's most populous state? Here's our special broadcast on Yogi Adityanath.
पैगंबर मोहम्मद की स्वयं की धरती पर, स्वयं की जन्मस्थली पर जो मस्जिद बनाई थी सऊदी अरब की सरकार ने उसको हटा दिया, तो कोई नहीं बोला। भारत माता की जय नहीं बोल सकते, अगर आप वंदे मातरम नहीं बोल सकते, तो फिर ये कहां पर लिखा है संविधान में कि तुम्हें इस देश में रहना ही रहना है?
Yogi's stunning ascent to power. Adityanath becomes the 21st Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. A leader of more than 20 crore people, equivalent to the population of Brazil. The rise has been phenomenal. More so for a man popular for his incendiary anti-Muslim rhetoric than anything else.
डंपी लड़ेगा तो उसका समर्थन मुख्तार अंसारी भी करेंगे, अतीक अहमद भी करेंगे, साहबुद्दीन भी करेंगे, और सभी तमाम अंसारी, खान, पठान सब लोग उसका समर्थन करेंगे। लेकिन फिर हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते अपने प्रत्याशी का समर्थन जो राष्ट्रवाद के पक्ष में खड़ा हो सके, हिंदुत्व के पक्ष में खड़ा हो सके, हम सब उसका समर्थन क्यों नहीं कर सकते? एक प्रश्न है हम सबके सामने।
With 2 deputies and 46 other ministers, the 44-year-old ascetic has finally taken oath of office. This unprecedented elevation of a controversial religious figure for the top job in the nation's bellwether state was greeted with festivities. Supporters of his brand Hardline Hindutva raised the toast with loud cheers to the Yogi's surge. Some even sounded overly emboldened. Many others euphoric. The Hindutva poster boy's leap to the most powerful address of Lucknow's Kalidas Marg resonated beyond the state. His Karam Bhumi to the mountains of neighboring Uttarakhand, his Janam Bhumi, the Yogi's birthplace. This is Adityanath's ancestral home in Pauri Garhwal. Celebrations peaked as he took over UP's reins. It's in this small village that Adityanath was born as Ajay Singh Bisht in 1972. He has given a reason to the Sleepy Hill neighborhood to be elated. Father Anand Singh Bisht and Mother Savitri Devi are in 7th heaven.
वो अपने मंजिल की राह देख रहे हैं और आखिर उन्होंने वो राह पकड़ ली और उसमें सफलता मिल गई उनको। फिर जन सहयोग बहुत मिला उनको। 325 विधायकों ने हाथ जोड़ करके खड़ा उनका समर्थन किया है। ये मुझे बड़ी खुशी है।
अच्छे लग रहे हैं, खुशी है हमें, बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे। वो पहले से ही वैसे थे, हाँ, जैसे गम वैसे सभा की थी ना, ज्यादा नहीं बोलते।
Pauri Garhwal is rejoicing its son's coronation.
यही कहना चाहते हैं कि वो कम से कम यूपी को इतना आगे बढ़ाएं। अन्य पार्टियों ने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि महाराज जी उस बुलंदियों तक यूपी को पहुंचा सकते हैं।
Down south, along the border with Nepal, this is Gorakhpur, the Yogi's spiritual and political home. It's here that Ajay Singh Bisht was formally initiated into the religious realm. Rewind to the 1990s. Mahant Avaidhanath, the then president of the Hindu Mahasabha and the then head priest of the Gorakhnath Mutt, inducts Bisht into asceticism. At age 22, the young man from Pauri Garhwal turns into Yogi Adityanath. His powerful oratory, unapologetic rhetoric wins him an instant following. The new Yogi has caught the imagination of the Hindu hardliners. As his popularity soared, his guru Mahant Avaidhanath named him his successor. Adityanath has been leading this Hindu monastery since the passing of his spiritual mentor in 2014. It's from Gorakhpur that the yogi launched himself into politics. With aggressive Hindutva as his platform. This list of his provocative comments is long. His advocacy of Hindu Rashtra.
अगर आप भारत माता की जय नहीं बोल सकते, अगर आप वंदे मातरम नहीं बोल सकते, तो फिर ये कहां पर लिखा है संविधान में कि तुम्हें इस देश में रहना ही रहना है?
His not so covert threats to minorities, his attack on Bollywood's Muslim stars.
शाहरुख खान को इस बात को याद रखना चाहिए कि अगर इस देश का बहुसंख्यक समाज उनकी फिल्मों का बहिष्कार कर देगा तो एक आम मुसलमान की तरह उनको भी सड़कों पे भटकना पड़ेगा।
His menacing warning over conversions.
कि अगर वो एक हिंदू बालिका को ले जाएंगे तो कम से कम 100 मुस्लिम बालिकाओं को हिंदू। कभी वो मदर टेरेसा के नाम पर भारत का ईसाईकरण करने की साजिश करती है और कभी फादर के नाम पर जगह जगह हिंदुओं को दफनाने की साजिश का हिस्सा बनता है।
His narrative of love jihad.
इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय साजिश का शिकार केवल भारत ही नहीं पूरी दुनिया के तमाम ऐसे देशों को बनाया जा रहा है।
Cow vigilantism the yogi missed no opportunity to voice his radical Hindutva ideology in public domain. Aggression has always remained the hallmark of Yogi Adityanath and his vast support base. No wonder the lawmaker has often ran afoul of the law. He faces a number of cases.
मैं आदित्यनाथ योगी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि
But when he assumed the CM's post, Yogi Adityanath struck a reconciliatory note and in line with the basic principles of inclusive governance. The BJP's landslide victory in Uttar Pradesh has come with a momentous challenge, a challenge to spur growth and development. The Yogi has a bigger role in place to fulfill aspirations. Bureau Report, India Today. From Spartan quarters to a palatial house, from entertaining dozens of people a day to handling the responsibility of crores, Adityanath faces a massive challenge as the 21st Chief Minister of India's largest state. And so it is not surprising that the Mahant of Gorakhnath temple is performing every puja he can to ensure an auspicious start to his stint. A battery of Hindu priests sanctifying the official residence of the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, readying the property for the Mahant of Gorakhnath.
चाहे वो मंदिर का हो या मस्जिद, किसी भी आवास में प्रवेश करने से पहले वास्तु का पूजन करके ही उसमें प्रवेश करते हैं। अभी तो तैयारी चल रही है, कलश रखा गया है, गौरी गणेश की पूजन होगी, उसके बाद वास्तु का पूजन होगा, उसके बाद माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी अंदर प्रवेश करेंगे और भगवान श्री गणेश जी को लेके अंदर जाएंगे।
Items such as Ganga Jal and cow urine, specially brought from Gorakhpur, are being used to purify the house. Every effort is being made to ensure that Adityanath feels at home as he takes the reins of the state. The same lifestyle he did as the head priest of one of UP's largest temples.
योगी आदित्यनाथ यानी कि महाराज जी की जो अगर दिनचर्या की बात करें तो सुबह रोजाना 3 बजे ही वो उठ जाया करते हैं और ये उनका कमरा है, इसी कमरे में वो रहते हैं। इस वक्त आप देख सकते हैं ये जो कमरा है इस पे ताला लगा हुआ है क्योंकि योगी जी अभी या फिलहाल यहाँ नहीं है, अब तो लखनऊ में है, मुख्यमंत्री बन गए हैं।
The yogi's day starts with worship of multiple deities, from Kali to Shiv, Ganesh and the patron god of the temple, Gorakhnath.
अपने कमरे से 5 बजे तकरीबन सुबह निकल के सबसे पहले योगी आदित्यनाथ भगवान गोरखनाथ जी के यहाँ इस मंदिर में ही आते हैं। ये मुख्य मंदिर है इस पूरे परिसर में और यहीं पर सुबह आकर वो पूजा अर्चना भी करते हैं।
Then begins arguably the most enjoyable part of the day for Adityanath.
रोजाना सुबह को मंदिरों के दर्शन करने के बाद योगी आदित्यनाथ जो हैं इस गौशाला में आते हैं। ये है गोरखनाथ मंदिर का जो गौशाला है और यहाँ पर तकरीबन 350 से भी ज़्यादा जो है वो गायें हैं जो कि गुजरात हरियाणा से जो है यहाँ पे लाई गई हैं। और रोज़ाना यहाँ पर जब आते हैं महाराज जी तो यहाँ पर गौ सेवा भी करते हैं। कितनी देर यहाँ पे समय बिताते हैं महाराज?
घंटा लगभग, पौन घंटा।
इस दौरान क्या करते हैं वो?
इस दौरान जो है गायों को जो है गुड़ बिस्कुट और दूध रोटी छोटे बच्चों को वो प्यार करते हैं और उनको खिलाते हैं।
गौशाला में ये जो आप एक बड़ा सा सांड देख रहे हैं इसका नाम है नंदू महाराज। और महाराज यानी कि योगी आदित्यनाथ के जो सबसे करीबी अगर कह सकते हैं गायों में सबसे ज्यादा इनसे प्रेम है। श्रवण ये बताओ इनका नाम नंदू महाराज क्यों?
नंदू महाराज जी ने ही नाम रखे हैं इनका। ये नंदी भगवान है इसीलिए इनको नंदू बाबा नंदू महाराज कहा जाता है।
तो यहाँ पे जो सारे गाय हैं या सांड हैं उनमें सबसे प्रिय यही है?
हाँ सबसे प्रिय यही है क्योंकि इसको इसके शकल और इसका शरीर देखकर कितना अनुभव होता है, इतना अच्छा लगता है कि उनको बहुत मतलब कैपेसिटी
आनंद प्राप्त होता है।
हाँ जी जी।
इसको भी खुद ही खाना
हाँ हाँ, वो खिलाते हैं, अपने हाथ से खिलाते हैं। उनको देखते कह रहे हैं ना, उनका रास्ता देख रहे हैं ये।
In the afternoon, the Mahant holds his Janta Darbar, listening to people's grievances and helping them find solutions. One such aggrieved woman, ignored even by the police, has come to the yogi for help.
क्या हुआ है आपके साथ?
खेत में हम काम करता है, सब हमें बहुत मारली।
कौन मारा?
कुर्बान नाम का समीर नाम।
आपको मारा है?
हाँ, पटक।
थाने में गए थे?
हाँ, थाने में गए, उसके बाद वहाँ सुनवाई नहीं तो तबे है।
The yogi's role in the Gorakhnath temple was thus not limited to just his responsibilities as the chief priest. Despite not being part of the state government, he was in many ways the ultimate authority for the people living in the vicinity of the temple.
But now Adityanath is moving from his Spartan 12 by 12 room to a palatial bungalow in the heart of the state capital, taking on the responsibility of not a few thousand people but tens of crores. Explaining why the Mahant is so anxious to do everything to ensure an auspicious start to his stint as Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. With Rohit Singh in Gorakhpur, Bureau Report, India Today.